Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you what you can do with the bottom of your Bath and Body Works candle. My sister Shay Marie and Family Vlog told me a better way of how I can make my actual wax melt. So pay attention for a little bit, you guys, and I will show you what you need to do. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is put our candle into some boiling water. It's going to turn into a liquid. Once it turns into the liquid, you want to go ahead and pour it into your ice tray. And I'm almost there. Now, be careful, okay? So now we're going to pour this into our ice tray. And once you do that, you're just going to allow it to cool. And it's going to take the shape of the ice tray. So now it's just sitting, or actually cooling back down in the tray. I forgot what this was. These are ready, but these are still kind of warm. They're also still soft, so I could tell that underneath it, it's probably still a little bit of liquid. So I'm gonna wait till this completely cools down. I was trying to feel and see if I could feel it underneath, but no. This tray is too thick. But once it all cools down, and I tear it off, and I'll be able to put it in my baggies. And this is actually a fluke, but a good idea. Once I bulbed the candle, the label came off. So I just took the label and stuck it on the bag, and boom. Now I have a label, and I don't even have to write on it anymore. If I had enough room, I will put this back in here, but I don't, so I can't, and I can't even remember what fragrance that is, but it doesn't matter. It all smells good to me, so I'm fine either way. So I'm just gonna let these cool, and once they cool, guys, and I'm able to break them off and put them in the baggies, I'll come back. Voila guys, I am all done. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I love my wax warmer, and I enjoyed making these wax melts for myself from my favorite Bath and Body Works candles, as well as the Kroger's candles that I shared with you guys before.